Jai Shri Krishna friends. Bhagwat Gita Chapter 16. To nature. Friends, in the 16th chapter of Gita, it has been told that which to nature or behavior of a human being. Shri Krishna has said, Arjuna, that there are two types of nature in this world, the divine nature and the demonic nature, that is like a deity and like a demon. I will first tell you about the divine nature. Never be afraid, keep your mind pure, always remember God, keep your senses under control, read religious books, do not hurt any living being, staying equally in all kind of feelings, to consider every living soul as equal, never to be angry and fascinated, to be forgive, to be patient, and even to never be proud of one's own quality. It is divine nature. Now I will tell you the demonic nature: pride, anger, family attachment, hatred, ignorance, lust, having hopes, and keeping the body under the control of senses. These are the demonic nature. The intellect has become dull, and those who choose only destruction in this world, the desires of those people are never fulfilled. The happiness of those people is limited only to the pleasure of the senses. They are always engaged in getting more things. He considers himself to be the one who does everything. He does religion and charity only for show up. The divine nature gives freedom, while the demonic nature creates bondage. Then I give birth to those with demonic nature again and again in the form of demons. In this way, the demons always keep feeling down. Arjun, work, anger, and greed are the three gates of hell, so they should be lifted as soon as possible. Lust, anger, and greed are the three biggest enemies. Stay away from them. Jai Shri Krishna, friends.